Okay, just a little bit of water, get rid of this.
Ready, Bubba? We're gonna rewind the show. Ready? It's okay. It's okay. Oh, it's a little wet. It's okay. Ready? Ready? Yep. Let me hold your hand. Let me hold your hand. It's okay. It's okay. Oh yeah, you're doing a good job, Bubba. Yeah. Good. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Doing a good job. It's okay.
Yeah, he's a killer.
Yeah, he is. Hey, Dr. Seuss. Yeah, I feel like usually when you put the movie on, you know, it's like sucks them in for some reason. That's okay. It's okay. Daddy's got you. Yeah, it's getting long. I didn't even realize how long that was. Damn. What is he, a year and 6 months now? He's a year and 6 months, yep. Or 16 months. No, it's 16 months, not a year and 6 months. Yeah. This much hair in 16 months.
At first it wasn't drawing because of the product we were showing.
Okay. Oh.
So we changed it up.
Look at you. We have fun year round.
Well, I think the thing that we were putting on was making hair fall out.
Yep. What was it?
It was Johnson.
Oh yeah, Johnson & Johnson.
Then we switched it
Johnson,
around.
Johnson, yeah, it's not good.
Nope, the Johnson & Johnson wasn't working really. It's making his hair like
It was
real
like
thin and falling out. Hey, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, it's okay. You want to take your hands out? Okay. As long as you don't touch. She's doing good. Good shit. You're doing such a good job. No, it's okay. It's okay. Yep. Oh, okay, yeah, I'll let him hold it, yeah. So it doesn't, so his hands aren't on his hair, it's on the phone. Yeah. Ooh. Oh yeah, it does look nice. Yeah. Better than Baby Anthony, man. Baby Anthony. Well, of course. Baby Anthony does not like no one touching his hair. No, it's okay. He's looking for a chance. It's a champ. This is what I said. That
No, I like it. I'm just like.
I said no one else is doing it besides Everett, man. No one else is touching his hair besides Everett. I don't trust no one to touch it besides you, Everett. I really
I
don't.
appreciate that.
He was too nice with the Barber. Too elite. He's like, dude, I'm cutting my hair. You've been doing this now since you were 12 years old, Everett?
I have been, yeah, thankfully.
12. That gives you a lot more time than a lot of other people that are your age. You know, like people your, what are you, 28, 29?
Yeah.
Yeah, people only have about, you know, maybe like 9 years experience. You got what now? What, 15 years?
Yeah.
More than that. You like it so far, Nisha?
I love it.
Hey, we're not gonna go take too much more off now. We're just gonna kind of.
No, you just try to make it look nice, like blend it up. Do whatever you gotta do. It already looks nice, Everett.
I hope the video comes out well.
No, I think it will.
Do you like it? What? Are you kidding? This is amazing.
It's your point of view with the hair. So it's... Oh, okay. Nisha, you wanna grab that?
And people said the touch of their tufts was softer than anything.
He's taking the hair off his hands.
Butterfly milk.
What does that even mean?
I know, right?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Good job.
I want more than
Oh,
anything.
it's okay. It's okay. I got his hands over.
To see
Ready?
a real.
Right here. Look it. Look.
I bet that sounds crazy. Does that sound crazy?
No, not crazy.
Crazy at all. Not crazy at all.
Just gotta get this.
Bum, bum, bum.
Gotta get this right here, right?
Okay, ready, Bubba? Here, look at ready. Let's pick something else. Let's pick something else. You're good. I'm just gonna distract him with the phone. Go ahead. You're good right there. Ready, Bubba? Let's see. What else do we got? What else do you like to watch? You wanna watch Home? Nope, maybe some. Okay, now you got it. You can kind of get his little hands out. Ready? Let's see. What do you wanna watch? You wanna watch the Nut Job? Okay. Let it load, Bubba. Let it load. Hey, it's okay. You're doing good. Look at it. Just gotta keep on switching up the movies, man. Just gotta keep on switching them. Man, wait till you have a kid ever. He's gonna be cutting hair at 3. Ooh. Oh my god. He looks so different already. I haven't seen him yet. Oh, you trying to touch your camera? Lorenzo, come here.
Hey, we are not dating. This is an important mission to Viking, right? You're right. We're past Pacific.
Wow. Look how fast you are, Everett.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think anybody else could cut hair that quick, especially a baby that's moving around.
Yeah, no, he does a good job though.
Yeah, he's not too bad.
Probably the best.
Not too shabby.
Probably the best youngster.
Ready, Bubba? Ready? 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 Whoa! Ready? It's okay. Ready? 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 Okay, okay. Wow. Yay!
You're doing so good.
Yay! Looks like you got face hair. Face is doing good with the back, right, Everett?
Yeah, you did a good job.
Ready? Whee! Whee!
All right,
Whee!
you gotta do it.